Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joao Calmon, and this is my partner Bruno and Vladimir. Our team is BJV, very creative, and our project is a RFID access and attendance system. First of all, I want you to think about how many attendance list papers do you sign in your entire life. It's a lot of class in school, in college. So we waste a lot of paper with this. And I know that some of you guys know the RFID very well. And here in IIT, the student can use this card to enter in buildings, to get a meal in commons, or have access to a video game in the bog. So we ask ourselves, why don't we use this technology to get the attendance in class? So to build this project, we use the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Mega, because have more memory than Arduino Uno, and we have to build a server to send and receive information. And Arduino Internet Shield to have access to internet. And RFID card reader, obviously, and a real-time clock to know when the student came in and when the class started and when finished. Now my partner Bruno will talk about how the system works.
So, as the system works in a real simple way. So, as you can see in the slide, we have an RFID card reader. So, when the student comes to the class, he taps his card in the card reader, and then the Arduino is connected to the card reader, get information from the card, like it is 35 bits string. So, the Arduino gets this information and processes this information, and send to the web server running in the Arduino Mega. And the Arduino gets this information and compares with the database. Because we have in the Arduino Mega, we have a database with the ID of the student and the name of the student. So if the card matches with the database, the ID of the student and the name and the hour of the attendance goes to a file. And then when the teacher wants to receive this file, the teacher just taps his card in the RFID reader and receives the mail with this information. And as we see this, the access system is really easy to implement because we already have the reading system, the sending to the server, and the incorporation. So we just need to, instead of sending in mail, just to authorize the door to open, like sending a signal to a relay to open the door. And now we're going to just run a small live demonstration of the product.
Start in the end, because you have to change the computers.
No. Okay, so right now we have over here our attendance system and our server running. So when I tap my card over here, okay, when I tap my ID from IT, the RFID reads this information and send to the server. And you can tap here. So in this example, the João's card is acting like the teacher card. So all the information right now is on the server. So when João taps ID, the server starts to send the email, and I think in a few minutes, okay, it's sending the email. Okay, the email sent it. So yeah. Just a minute, please. Okay. I received it right now, the email with my name and Vladimir name. So as you can see over here, we have see my name and the date, as you can see over here. So
good. One more sign-in sheet.
Okay. So and the mail is sent, and all the data is erased to start a new attendance log. So each time if the professor wants to keep like some records, like the class started right now, and 10 minutes later, I tap my card and receive the information from the students who come to the class in the first 10 minutes. And if the students arrives late, I can tap my card and grab the information. The student arrives but late, so the teacher can just regulate how we're going to receive this information. And right now, Vladimir is going to talk about the advantages of this project.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Joao and Bruno, for the demonstration and introduction of our project. As you could see, this is part of our amazing project, and we showed you one part of the project. And I would like to say, to tell why did we choose to do these projects. We chose this project not because we wanted just to show what we did learn during this period, but we chose this project because we believe that there is need for this kind of system. We believe that if, for example, Illinois Institute of Technology implement this project, this system in university, it will benefit not only university, it will benefit both students and teachers. Also, this kind of projects has multi-features. We showed you here attendance system, but also we implemented this project that it can work for access. For example, there are different kinds of premises in institutions or let's say in this university which need this kind of system. Let's see this lab. It is great if student can come in any time to use his own card and to access a laboratory. There are also another laboratories like chemistry lab and another premises which people really need to access when they need. Also, this is good because everything is real time. As you could see, we can send a list via email. And we use open source technology, which is really good. And we use RFID, and that is advantage here because that is already implemented in Illinois Institute of Technology. And good about this thing is because this is not something expensive. This is really possible to implement in very not expensive way. This is a reliable system because we test it. We believe in this, and we know that this is working very well. And as you know, there are different kinds of security reasons. Simply, institutions need to have sometimes to control who enter in their rooms. And yes, why? What would be next steps in this project? Of course, this can be implemented in Illinois Institute of Technology. This can be used for class attendance or access in different kind of labs, but this system is not necessary to be implemented only here. It can be implemented anywhere in the world. Any firm or institution can use this kind of system. And this is not only what we can do. If necessary, there are possibilities for new features, like we can make database spreadsheet online on Google or any other source, or we can even make access to the places with voice recognition. That is generally from us. Thank you very much.